Hello members, today let us see how we can solve this particular machine called as Sunset from the Vulnhub platform. This is a very basic machine and the machine credits to Whitecrow. You can download this machine, it is a VirtualBox image. I have already downloaded it. Make sure the connection is bridged so that you can interact with it from the Kali Linux environment. And just click on the start button. This will power on the machine in VirtualBox. Again, this is a boot to root machine. Let us see how we can hack into this machine today. Let's close all these pop-ups and it throws us the login screen. Let us try entering some basic passwords if it allows us to log in. Let's try hi. Yes, it tells us incorrect password. Okay, let us power on the Kali Linux environment and try hacking it. I'll make it full screen. Okay, let us first open the terminal. Okay, the first step is you'll have to find the IP address of the machine. Let us use the netdiscover command. This scans all the IP addresses in the network. And for Vulnhub machines, generally you get PCS Systemtech as the MAC vendor or the host name. Yes, we immediately get 192.168.1.105 as the IP address. Now let us use this IP address and perform an Nmap scan on this. Let us use an aggressive scan which is done using the -A option, and I'll click enter. Yes, we immediately get the result. We see two services here. One is port 22, that is FTP, and port 21, that is FTP, and port 22, that is SSH, and there is anonymous FTP login allowed. Let us see what is anonymous FTP login. And for SSH you might require the credentials. Before going to the SSH, let us first explore what is there, the files that are present in the FTP. FTP is nothing but the file transfer protocol, where you can download the files if it is present, any files are present from the server side. Okay, let us see. Let me explain you what is anonymous FTP login. Always remember, Google is your best friend, and any doubts in any step you can just Google it. It gives you all the information. Yes, you can see anonymous FTP login. The user enters anonymous as a user ID, and the password is generally, you can enter anything as a password, or you can generally leave it blank. Directly click enter, you can log into the FTP. This is called as anonymous FTP, where the username is anonymous and there is no password. You can get to know more about it by just reading these sites. Let me go back. Now after exploring the FTP, let us also see the SSH. Let me clear this screen. Now the command to log into FTP is just FTP space the IP address, and I'll enter anonymous as the username and just click enter for the password. Yes, you can see code 230 login successful. There are various codes associated with the FTP actions. You can see all those. Let me see the files by giving ls. Yes, you see one backup file. You cannot open it directly from the FTP. Let me download it. The command is get backup for it. Yes, you can see transfer complete. We have downloaded this particular file. Let me exit by giving the command bye, and it tells you goodbye. Let me clear the screen and let me see what this file actually is. If I give ls, it gives me all the downloaded files. Yeah, you have the backup file here, the third one. Okay, let us see what type of file it is. You can check the file type by using the command file space the file name. Yes, this is a basic ASCII text file. Let us try opening and see the contents of this file by giving this the command cat space the file name. Yes, you get a set of credentials here. These are hashed credentials, and you have office, data center, sky, sunset, and space. Okay, we will now, by seeing this, you can get to know that we will have to crack the hashes, and only this particular line could be of use for us. Let us copy this particular line containing the hash of sunset, and let us save this using nano. Just copy it here, and Ctrl O is for saving the file, click enter, and Ctrl X is for exiting the file. Now let us verify if this has been saved. Just give the command cat hash. Yes, this is saved. Now let us crack the hash using the tool John. John is a famous password cracking tool. You can just give John space the file name. This takes some time depending on the hash. You can also use online cracking tools like Crackstation and others. Yes, you can see one password hash loaded. Since I had already done the crack, you will have to use the option crack John hash space -- show. Show is for listing the hashes that have already been cracked. You can see the sunset : cheer 14. This is generally the credential representation with the colon. Now let us try using these credentials on the base machine. Sunset and password was cheer 14. Yes, it immediately grants you the permission. Now let us verify the IP address that we got. IP config isn't working here. Let us try IP space A. Yes, you get the IP address 192.168.1.105. Yes, this was the same IP address that we worked on. Now you have got the access to the machine. Let us try using SSH now. SSH grants you remote terminal access, and let us try gaining the root access from this. The syntax is the command should be root SSH username at the IP address. Let us use SSH root at the IP address, and let us use the password, same password that we found, cheer 14. This doesn't work. Okay, let us use sunset as the password. Even this doesn't work. Okay, let us close this and let us give the username as sunset itself, since we know the password is cheer 14 for this particular user. Sunset at 192.168.1.105, and let me give the password as cheer 14. Yes, you get the user access. Congrats on getting the user access. And we can see this format sunset at sunset, which is the username at machine name, and if you give who am I, you see the user sunset, and give ID, it tells you you are a user ID, assigns you a user ID 1000. Okay, now the goal is to get the root access. Let us give the su command, but yes, it tells us sunset is not allowed. This particular user may not be the root, or there should be some problem. Let us use the command sudo space -l, which basically lists you all the files or users that can be run as the root. Okay, you can see this particular user bin ed with no password can be executed as root. Let us copy down this and let us give sudo space /user/bin/ed. Yes, it gives you a blank screen. Let us try giving this. Is the privilege escalation part, which is most difficult part. Let us try giving bin/shell. This is the shell path, and you immediately get the root access. Yes, hash indicates the root, and when you give ID, it tells you uid equal to 0, which is root. And let us come to the flags part. You have one user.txt flag, and let us cat user.txt. Yes, it gives you from a random flag. So this is how you solve the sunset machine. Congrats on getting the root flag. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy hacking.